everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am dressed in my Disney Pixar because today we're doing a Pixar blind box opening. I have 3 blind boxes. These were pre-sorted. We know my luck with pre-sorted ordering from websites, but we're going to have good luck today. We're going to. So these are the Pixar backpacks. So we can get Woody, Buzz, Kevin, Russell, Mike Wazowski, or I have 3 boxes. And these were pre-sorted, sent to me, so we'll see what my luck is. We know my luck when they're pre-sorted is not that great, so, but today I have a good feeling that they're not going to be doubles, so let's see. So we could get Woody, Buzz, Russell, Kevin, Woody, or I'm sorry, Mike Wazowski or Sully. So let's just jump right in. Let's not even waste any time. This will be a quick unboxing. You get 1 per Loungefly, you get 1 pin per. I'll give you one more look at the pin box. I'm really hoping for Kevin, Russell, Woody, or Kevin, Russell, Sully, or Mike Wazowski. You can't really tell with these. Ooh, there's a hole in the bottom. Oh, we've got Kevin. And he is super cute. He's very sparkly. Oh my god, he's really sparkly. He is super sparkly. As you can see, that is a really nice pen. Really good quality. Really happy with that one. My phone keeps going off, sorry guys. Okay. So, pin gods, no doubles. Let's hope for any of the other ones. Alright, here we go. It happens every time they're pre-sorted. It happens every time. That's okay. I have a feeling he'll make a good trader though. I have a feeling. Actually, I know where he's gonna go. I already have a home for him. But you know what? The color, oh no, it's just the way the glitter is. Alright. If this is a 3rd Kevin, I'm gonna flip. They are cute though. They're very cute. Oh, it wasn't one that I wanted either. We got a Woody, a Buzz. Let me look at his. The attention to detail is there for sure. Let me. Every stinking time I get a double. Every time. The good news is I have more of these coming to me this week. So you'll be seeing another one of these videos shortly. But what are the chances that I got duplicates? Oh, right in my heart. But that's alright. So let me know down in the comments what one you would have liked to get. Like I said, I would have liked Mike Wazowski, Sully. I would have definitely liked, I just want to finish the collection, honestly. At this point, when I'm going for pin boxes, I'm trying to finish the collection. So yeah. Yeah. So that's it for this video, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!